In our micro course on tips and tricks of competitive coding, today we are going to discuss logical problem solving and submissions, and more different kinds of logical problem solving and submissions. Different kinds of problems we'll be taking as an example. We shall solve them with the proper logic, with the proper coding, with the proper data structure, and we shall be submitting them onto the online coding portal. And the coding portal will have lots of test cases. My program should pass successfully through all the test cases, and in this way the problem will have a successful submission there. So I shall be sharing my expertise, I shall be sharing my code, I shall be sharing my all the tips and tricks. So please join and get yourself enriched with such skill set which is required for any kind of problem solving techniques. You know that in our competitive coding, we require to write our code with the proper logic, with the proper data structure, with the proper understanding of the syntax of the programming language we are writing. Now, another skill we require that how to submit these problems onto the online judge. Online judge means you know that whenever we submit our problem onto the coding portals, lots of test cases are there, and these test cases are to be sanctioned, are to be successfully passed by my program. So how to solve such logical problems and how to do the successful submissions, we shall be discussing on that. The class link has been provided here. So join the class with the referral code ORNOP10 and have a lots of fun with me. Myself, Ornab Chakraborty, will be taking the class. I'm having more than 26 years of teaching experience. I shall be taking the class in a proper systematic way. Thanks for watching this video.